In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively block spam emails using your email settings. We'll walk through setting up an email filter that will help in managing unwanted messages and keep your inbox organized. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your email account and look for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear presenting several options. What we are interested in today are the mail settings, so go ahead and click on that. Within the mail settings section, one of the options usually available is email filters. This feature is incredibly handy for directing your incoming emails exactly where you want them. Click on Email Filters to enter a new world of email management. Now, in the email filter section, you'll see an option to add a new filter, usually presented as a plus new filter button or something similar. Clicking, this will allow you to start setting up your custom filter. This is where the magic happens. The first thing you need to do is give your filter a recognizable name. Naming is crucial because it helps you easily identify what each filter is meant to do. For instance, you might name it something like Block Spam Sender. This name will remind you that this filter is set up to block emails from a specific sender. With your filter named, let's move on to setting the condition. The condition is like a trigger. It tells your email account what to look for when deciding whether to apply a particular filter. In this case, you'll set your condition to pay attention to where the email is coming from, or the from field, as it's commonly labeled. Select From and then choose Contains from the options available. Enter the email address from which you wish to block emails, a spammy address, for example. This way, any email coming from this address will trigger the condition you're setting up. Now we need to decide on the action. What should happen when an email matches the condition you've just set up? You have a couple of options here. You can choose to move to trash, which sends the email directly to your trash folder, or mark as spam, which can help refine your email provider's spam detection in the future. Choose the action that best serves your needs. Finally, save the filter. Make sure to double-check your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once saved, this filter will continuously work in the background, handling unwanted emails and keeping your inbox tidy. That's it. You've just set up an email filter that will streamline your email experience and reduce the clutter from spam. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this little trick makes your digital life a bit